Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you can sign up and create a profile, and if you're selected you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review it once you receive it. You can also follow them on social media, and they do give away boxes there, so I will have all their information linked below. And it is packed with goodies this time. Let's see, we have Smoky Balsamic Crunchsters. This is a sprouted protein snack. It says it has 7 grams of protein. It's nut-free, non-GMO, gluten-free. Pretty cool. I have not seen or heard of that before, so excited to try that. Also have Patterbar, coconut and cashew, clean energy. There's no sugar, gluten-free. Cool. Then we have some ice chips candy. That sounds interesting. It says it's in a resealable bag, so I actually want to take a look at that. If it's just like peppermint chips. Oh wow. Ooh, it smells good. They're just little chips in there to chew on. That's cool. I like that. Also have Spatty, Extend Your Beauty. Oh, I can actually use this. I have some foundation that there's hardly any left. I've been trying to take every little drop out of it. So this goes in here to get it all. That's a great idea. Very cool. Yeah, definitely put that to use. Very handy. Next, I have some heat holders. The warmest thermal sock, it says. Feel inside, says brushed inner. Ooh. It's real fuzzy soft, and then on the outside, knitted. Yeah, I could definitely see how that would be super, super warm. Over 7 times warmer than a basic sock. Very cool. There's typically a drink of some sort in here. Electrolit. It's Electrolyte beverage in the flavor grape. Cool. Then I think there's one more thing, and then we have some coupons. ADORAtherapy room boost. Lavender and chamomile. So I think it's just a room spray. Let me take a look. Yeah, so you can mist your linens, home, office, or other personal space, including yoga mats. And it says it has lavender, bergamot, geranium, instantly calms and soothes stress. That's awesome. And then they always paper clip some like coupons and advertisements at the bottom. So there's one for 75 cents off the Crunchsters. And the ice chips looks like they come in different flavors. Very cool. Awesome. So if you guys are interested, want to sign up and try to get a box, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.